So easy to use. It's got an electric vacuum pump. It's USB-C rechargeable. Comes in a great little travel case that throw and come shut. There's 7 of these bags. They range from 29 to 34 inches. I just compressed 4 jackets down from 8 inches high to, 2. So they are ready to be stored for the winter. Let me show you more. You load the clothes, then you use these. There's a bunch of these squeeze clips, and they literally go on the end and help seal the end shut. And then after that, it's a rechargeable by USB-C vacuum. And you simply put this over the hole, push the button, and the vacuums, there you go. And then it tucks it away. Love that this is small. It's about, I would say, 6 inches, can travel easily. And we're gonna load up all these jackets and give this thing a whirl. It's finally coming to a close here, so I wanna put away all of our winter jacket. 4 large jackets. They're pretty thick there. That's much thicker than my hand. I'm gonna say probably 8 inches thick, but they fit fine. Let's see what this vacuum can do. As you're watching me kind of mess around with this, the things I notice are the plastic seems really durable. There is a strong, definite double zipper seal on the end. The electric pump seems to work well. It's really just like sucking all the air out of there. It's not even hard to figure out. You don't have to read directions or anything. You just shove it on there. Absolutely love that they're reusable over and over again, and that I have multiple bag sizes depending on the size of my suitcase or the size of the area that I need to store it. And as you can see, these are 4 huge winter jackets, and it was no problem sticking them all in that 34-inch bag. Twisted it up, and it went from 8 inches to 2. So overall, I'd say, yep, absolutely works. It provides a very simple solution to provide maximum suitcase or storage space. It compressed my clothes fine. I love that the pump is rechargeable, so travel ready. 3 bag sizes make it super easy to organize or fit exactly my needs, and it's really airtight. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this helps, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.